So we took a lot of notes today. It was quite useful to go through these two upcoming deadlines. So if I just can go through some suggested small issues. Now, being able to point to the little thing on the side showing where you are, like the scroll bar, and to get the table of contents is probably useful. And of course, it should be on the dominant hand side. I'm not so sure about this bar underneath that we've taken from Vision OS, but in general, the idea makes sense to grab from there. So maybe what we do is when someone does a mouse over or look at that, they get these kind of grab indicators like we have on some interfaces. And for those of you who weren't there today, please note that the lower triangle is where you grab to scale the document vertically, and the eye is maybe something for the future for information. So the thinking here is that when you go from read to references, for instance, you get to a very, very different view. And here I've just mocked up having lots of small references from this document, so it should be different ways of how much you see it's taking a lot of space. But this probably can fit with the whole notion of a map. Same as we have the paper in the proceedings view, the user can have things like that here. So if they select something like LinkedIn here, it'll point to which references have that. So that could be an interesting addition to that to really use the space. Anyway, just a brief thought in the continuation of today's very exciting meeting.